Embrace the power of alignment, cultivate mindfulness, and allow your highest vibration to guide you towards a reality filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. Let's delve deeper into this understanding. Life flows like a river, and you can't dam it up. You can't resist the current of your experiences and who they shaped you to be. It's like trying to hold back a mighty river with your bare hands. It's exhausting and futile. And when you do try to resist, when you fight against the natural flow of life, you end up feeling drained and out of sync. But when you let go and allow yourself to flow with the current, that's when you start to feel alive, vibrant, and in harmony with the universe. So let's embrace this natural flow and explore some important topics together. There's so much ground to cover, so many aspects of life to discuss. Before you even set foot in this room, your journey had already begun. Your experiences, your challenges, your triumphs, they've all contributed to the person you are today. And within you, deep down, lies a reservoir of desires, hopes, and dreams waiting to be fulfilled. The energy within you, your inner essence, has already embraced these desires. It's like a cosmic partnership where your deepest aspirations are met with the boundless potential of the universe. And within this partnership lies the key to unlocking the answers to everything you seek. As we embark on this journey together, it's essential to recognize that it doesn't matter where you currently stand. Whether you're facing health issues, financial struggles, relationship challenges, or any other obstacles, the current of life is always moving forward, always guiding you towards growth and transformation. Every circumstance, every setback, every triumph, they're all part of the grand tapestry of your life's journey. And within each experience lies an opportunity for growth, for learning, and for becoming more fully aligned with your true self. The stream of life is like a relentless force, always moving towards solutions, answers, and the fulfillment of your deepest desires. It's like a gentle yet powerful current, urging you to release resistance and embrace the natural flow of existence. So take a moment to reflect on where you are right now. Perhaps you find yourself grappling with uncertainty, grappling with fear, or grappling with doubt. Maybe you're standing on the brink of change, facing the unknown with a mixture of excitement and trepidation. Or perhaps you're in a place of peace, contentment, and inner knowing, basking in the warmth of your own truth. Wherever you find yourself, know that you are exactly where you need to be in this moment. Your current circumstances are not a reflection of your worth or your potential. They're simply a starting point, a launching pad for the incredible journey that lies ahead. And as you navigate this journey, remember that you are not alone. The universe is conspiring in your favor, guiding you, supporting you, and nudging you towards your highest good. So let go of the need to control, let go of the need to resist, and surrender to the flow of life. Trust in the wisdom of the universe, trust in the power of your own inner guidance, and trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Embrace each moment with an open heart and an open mind, knowing that within every challenge lies an opportunity, and within every setback lies a lesson. And as you continue to journey forward, know that the stream of life is carrying you ever closer to the fulfillment of your dreams, the realization of your purpose, and the embodiment of your truest self. So let's dive in, let's explore, let's learn, and let's grow together. For the journey ahead is bound to be a magnificent unfolding of endless possibilities, infinite wisdom, and profound transformation. And together, we'll navigate the currents of life with courage, with grace, and with an unwavering belief in the beauty of our shared humanity. Let's talk about finding peace with where you are right now. It's like putting your mental boat into the stream of life and surrendering to its flow. When you can accept that everything is unfolding as it should, something magical happens. There's a shift, a release of resistance, and you naturally start moving towards improvement. But here's the thing. If you approach life with a mindset of dissatisfaction, constantly thinking, I should be somewhere else, or I should have done better, you're automatically turning against the current. It's like paddling upstream against the flow, exhausting yourself with efforts that lead nowhere. Now contrast that with accepting where you are while holding a vision for something better. It's like acknowledging, okay, I'm not where I want to be, but I know things can improve. This attitude opens the door to receiving help and resources from the universe. It's like choosing the downstream path of solutions instead of the upstream struggle. So, which way are you pointing your boat? Are you focusing on the problems or searching for solutions? It's easy to get caught up in a competitive mindset, feeling like you need to justify your desires by highlighting the dangers of not having them. But this approach only leads to a cycle of lack and struggle. In today's world, there's abundance all around us. The universe is overflowing with opportunities and blessings waiting to be received. Yet many of us have been conditioned to believe that we need to plead our case to receive what we want, just like we might have done with our parents growing up. But here's the truth. You don't need to beg or plead with the universe. You don't need to justify your desires. Instead, you simply need to align yourself with what you truly want, and the universe will respond accordingly. It's like tapping into the infinite variety of life and choosing what resonates with your soul. And if you find yourself not living in alignment with your preferences, it's because there's something within you that's blocking the way. It could be old beliefs, fears, or doubts that need to be addressed and released. So let go of the need to defend your desires or justify your worthiness. Instead, trust in the abundance of the universe and allow yourself to receive all the blessings that are meant for you. It's like stepping into a river of endless possibilities, where the current of life carries you towards your greatest dreams and aspirations. So let's embrace this journey with open hearts and open minds. Let's release resistance and allow ourselves to flow effortlessly towards the life we truly desire. For in the end, it's not about struggling against the current, but rather surrendering to the divine flow of life and allowing ourselves to be carried towards our highest destiny. Let's break it down. If you're not living everything you want, then there's something more to it than just taking action. Your journey towards your goals, whether it's financial success or anything else, should be an emotional one, not just about doing things. So how does that work? It means imagining, pretending, and feeling good about your desires, even if they haven't materialized yet. It's about shifting your focus from "it's not working" to "it's on its way." Your emotions are like a compass, guiding you towards what feels good and what feels better. Even if at first it's hard to tell the difference, keep focusing until you can feel the shift. Your emotions are always there to guide you, showing you the way forward. When you let your emotions guide you, your journey becomes clearer. Others may notice a change in you. Maybe you seem happier, more optimistic, even before anything tangible has happened. They might wonder why you're so joyful, especially when things haven't quite manifested yet. But here's the thing, you just know. You trust in the power of the law of attraction, the universe's response to your emotional state. You've been down this road before, felt this way, and seen it pan out positively. So you let go of the need for physical evidence to prove your beliefs. You trust in the unseen, in the power of your emotions and your inner knowing. You trust that when you feel good, when you're aligned with your desires, things are moving in the right direction. Sure, there may be doubts or challenges along the way, but you choose to focus on the feeling of certainty, of faith, of knowing that what you want is already on its way to you. And that's where the magic happens, in the unwavering belief that what you desire is not only possible but inevitable. So keep trusting in your emotions, keep aligning yourself with your desires, and watch as the universe responds in kind. Because when you believe it, feel it, and trust it, there's no limit to what you can manifest in your life. When you understand the law, you realize that like attracts like. It's all about the vibration you're sending out into the universe, and the evidence of that vibration will soon follow. But here's the thing, there's a buffer of time between your thoughts and their manifestation, and that's actually a good thing. Imagine if every fleeting thought you had immediately became reality. It would be chaotic, wouldn't it? That's why there's a delay, a buffer of time, between your thoughts and their manifestation. It gives you a chance to fine-tune your thoughts and emotions before they materialize into your reality. Now picture this. You're out there on the leading edge of your experience, and something catches your attention, something you prefer for yourself. In that moment, the universe says, "Consider it done," and aligns itself perfectly with your desire. It's like a perfect vibrational match, calling you towards it. And when you feel that pull, Even if it's a strong emotion like rage, it's a sign that you're moving in the right direction. That's why nothing is more important than the way you feel. If we were walking in your shoes, our motto would be, nothing is more important than feeling good. But here's the kicker. Feeling good doesn't mean you have to be at your ultimate best all the time. It means finding the best feeling thought you can from where you are right now. It's about making the conscious effort to reach for thoughts that uplift you, even if they're just a little better than where you started. As you focus on feeling good and reaching for improved thoughts, you'll notice a shift. You'll start to find more and more thoughts that uplift you, thoughts that resonate with your desires and dreams. And as you practice this on one subject, you'll find it easier to do it on others as well. Bit by bit, subject by subject, you'll clean up your vibration, aligning yourself more closely with the things you want to manifest in your life. And as you do, you'll become more expectant of good things coming your way. So trust in the process, trust in your emotions, and trust that the universe is working in your favor. Keep reaching for thoughts that feel good, and watch as the world around you begins to reflect that goodness back to you. It's all about aligning yourself with the best that life has to offer and allowing it to flow effortlessly into your reality. Let's delve deeper into the fascinating dynamics of vibration and how it shapes our experiences in life. Have you ever observed those individuals who seem to effortlessly glide through life's challenges? They exude calmness, ease, and grace without appearing to work nearly as hard as you might expect. How do they manage to have things seemingly fall into place for them? The answer lies in the harmony and absence of contradiction within their vibrational state. When we talk about vibration, we're referring to the energetic frequency that we emit through our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Every thought we think and every emotion we feel carries a specific energetic frequency that influences the reality we experience. In essence, like attracts like, and our external experiences are a reflection of our internal state of being. So what does it mean to have a vibration without contradiction? It means being in alignment with our desires, beliefs, and intentions. When there's harmony between what we want and what we believe, we emit a consistent and coherent vibration that magnetizes corresponding experiences into our lives. Now you might wonder, what about the people around me who don't seem to share the same vibrational frequency? It's essential to understand that each individual attracts experiences and circumstances that match their predominant vibration. So if someone close to you is experiencing challenges or difficulties, it's a reflection of their vibrational state. However, you have the power to influence your interactions with others by focusing on the positive aspects of them. By directing your attention towards their strengths, virtues, and admirable qualities, you invite more of those qualities to manifest in your relationship with them. Conversely, dwelling on their flaws or shortcomings only amplifies those aspects in your interactions. Understanding this principle allows you to navigate your relationships with greater clarity and intentionality. Instead of being reactive to the vibrations of others, you become proactive in shaping the energetic dynamics of your interactions. Now, let's explore the broader implications of vibrational alignment in various aspects of life. Consider health, for example. There are diseases and ailments that are vibrational matches to specific emotional states such as fear, frustration, or despair. When we harbor these lower vibrational emotions consistently, we create an energetic environment conducive to the manifestation of corresponding health issues. Conversely, cultivating emotions like joy, gratitude, and peace creates a harmonious vibrational environment that supports health and well-being. Our emotional state significantly influences our physical health, highlighting the importance of maintaining positive emotional hygiene. Similarly, in the realm of career and abundance, our vibrational state determines the opportunities and experiences we attract. Individuals who radiate confidence, optimism, and abundance consciousness naturally draw favorable circumstances, lucrative opportunities, and meaningful connections into their lives. On the other hand, those operating from a scarcity mindset, filled with doubt, fear, or self-limiting beliefs, often find themselves stuck in cycles of lack, struggle, and missed opportunities. It's not that abundance is unavailable to them. Rather, their vibrational frequency is out of alignment with the frequency of abundance. The concept of vibrational alignment extends beyond individual experiences to collective manifestations as well. Consider societal phenomena such as traffic accidents, conflicts, or societal unrest. These events often arise from a collective vibrational resonance characterized by fear, anger, or discord. Conversely, movements driven by unity, compassion, and collective well-being can catalyze positive social change and transformation. The vibrational signature of a community or society reflects the collective consciousness of its members, underscoring the interconnectedness of individual vibrations within the collective tapestry of humanity. Now let's circle back to the importance of self-awareness and emotional mastery in shaping our vibrational reality. The first step towards aligning with our desires is cultivating mindfulness and attunement to our inner state. By paying attention to how we feel in various situations, we gain valuable insights into our vibrational frequency and its alignment with our intentions. Emotional awareness serves as a compass guiding us towards thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors that elevate our vibration and expand our realm of possibilities. It's about choosing thoughts and emotions that feel uplifting, empowering, and aligned with our highest aspirations. However, it's essential to acknowledge that vibrational alignment is not about denying or suppressing challenging emotions. It's about embracing them with compassion and understanding while consciously choosing to transcend their limiting influence. Every emotion, whether positive or negative, offers valuable feedback and insights into our inner landscape. Moreover, the journey of vibrational alignment is dynamic and ever-evolving. It's a continuous process of self-discovery, growth, and refinement. As we deepen our understanding of ourselves and our relationship with the universe, we uncover new layers of potential and possibility. In essence, vibrational alignment invites us to become conscious co-creators of our reality, empowered to shape our experiences in alignment with our highest truths and deepest desires. It's about embracing the inherent interconnectedness of all beings and recognizing the profound influence of our thoughts, emotions, and intentions on the unfolding tapestry of existence. So, as you navigate the intricacies of life, remember the profound wisdom encoded within the language of vibration. Embrace the power of alignment, cultivate mindfulness, and allow your highest vibration to guide you towards a reality filled with joy, abundance, and fulfillment. In conclusion, the journey of vibrational alignment is a sacred dance between the individual soul and the infinite cosmos, a journey of self-discovery, empowerment, and transcendence. May you walk this path with grace, courage, and unwavering faith in the limitless potential that resides within you. And as always, may the love and light of the universe illuminate your path and guide you home.